Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Tesla charging problem, especially if the battery goes to zero. Let me show you exactly what I did, but make sure you like and subscribe and now let's jump straight into the video. All right, so here's my Tesla. This is a 2021 Model 3. As you can see, it only has 1,500 miles. Recently, I purchased this car. I have cleaned out the interior. The car came completely stripped. As you can see, the door panels are off, the ceiling, literally everything on this car was stripped. But the good part is, check this out. Look at all these parts. I literally have everything to put this Tesla back together. But when I purchased the car, the battery was at zero. Like literally the car would not turn on, the doors wouldn't open, nothing would turn on this Tesla. So the first thing that I did was like every other normal person, I simply hooked up my charger just like this. And then let's go back over here so I can show you exactly what is going on. All right. So when I did this, I looked over here and my percentage was at zero. Literally, you'd be charging and charging for hours. I left it for 3 full days and the battery still remained at zero. And I'm like, man, what is going on? Why is it not charging? I got completely scared because I spent $18,000 on this clunker. I figured if the battery's bad, I just wasted $18,000 for nothing. As you guys know, the batteries on Teslas are very, very expensive. So if your main battery goes out, you will probably spend anywhere between $10,000 to $25,000 to put in a brand new battery. So if you have a Tesla where the battery went to zero and now it's not charging whatsoever, this is what I personally did. As you guys know, the Tesla has 2 batteries, the main battery underneath the car and this small battery up front. So what I did, I tested this battery and it was completely dead too. Like literally the car was most likely sitting outside on the auction lot probably for months and months and months. So the main battery died. Also the smaller one up front died as well. So what I did personally, I went on Amazon and I bought this charger, built for charging. Literally they're like 30-40 bucks, but what they do is they charge these batteries. Also, if you have a regular car that has a low battery, this thing will be able to charge it. So all you got to do is plug this one into the wall and then you will have 2 of these. Simply hook up the black one to the black, the red one to the red, and then you press start. This will charge this battery to the fullest. Then after everything is connected, the red to the red, black to the black, you're simply going to start charging. Once this battery is fully charged, simply reconnect it and then hook up your charger once again. And then you're simply going to leave it overnight and then your battery will start charging and it will eventually go from 0 to 1 to 5 and so on and so on. But the main problem that I was having is both of my batteries were completely dead. They both went to absolutely zero. So if your Tesla was sitting and it went to zero and now it won't charge, just go on Amazon. I will have the link to this charger in the description box below. It's like $30-40. Order this charger, charge your main battery, and you should be ready to go. This charger right here is 8 amp. So when you hook it up to this small battery, it will take most likely 6 to 8 hours for the small battery to completely charge. Also, it will light up right here as charging. When it's done, it will say charging and maintaining, and this thing will turn green. In my opinion, it is well worth it. You can use it to charge other batteries. You can use it for a ton of different things. But personally, the money was well spent. It took a lot of stress off my shoulders. Now I don't have to worry about my Tesla. Everything is good and it's in working order. So I am super happy that I don't have to spend $20,000 on replacing the Tesla battery. All right, everybody, if you have a similar problem and you found a different solution, let me know in the comment section below. Hopefully this video helps someone that is having similar issues. So let's all work together and solve these little problems. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. And if you want to follow the rebuild of this Tesla, check it out. It will need a lot of work, but we will be able to do it. We're going to put this puzzle back together. All right, everybody. See you in the next video. Peace out.